Look here, Shonda Rhimes. Because I don't talk to Olivia Pope, I'm not about to talk to Kerry Washington again. Look here, Shonda Rhimes. You need to sort out your life. You need to sort out your life. Look here. You see, when you carry this girl Becky coming out the script, I say, okay, me not really 100% trust her because I know that Huck is a very complex man and it could be challenging to love him, right? I know that I could love him, but I don't know about other people. This Becky girl, she just appear out of nowhere and come jump up in a love with him, but never trust her. Anyway, you tell me so much trust the girl because she's a good girl and she make Huck happy, so much trust the girl. Next thing, me know the girl a spy. The girl a spy, she have credit card with just open, she have bank account with just up all of them type of something here. The girl come here for set up, for taking more. Shonda Rhimes. Why is it that every time you see me like somebody, you have to turn? This is Madam Neil. Why you have to turn against somebody? Shonda Rhimes, what are you doing? The president is still almost dead. Sally, she take over presidency, but she in charge. And now you're gonna send Huck to jail. So now you're sending Huck to jail. Who is to kill the people that we don't like? Shonda, you give me a coping mechanism. You say if me don't like somebody, Huck is going to either stab them up and bleed them out, or I'm gonna kill them. Now you take with Huck. How am I supposed to deal with people? Because right now, me most of the vice president need for them. She need to come out of the show because she's not moving the script forward. Me don't like her. And you see, to be honest, Olivia, if you lie down with dog, you must rise up with flea. If you lie down with dog, you must get flea. Because you go mix up with dirty dial. Him have a bad comb over, him have bad dentures, and him have a bad attitude. And you go make all type of deal with him. Now, me know say you do it because you want to put fits in the office. But you should have do it and then get some dirt pandas so you could have blackmail him. You left him now, so him go sell you out. Then the Supreme Court Justice woman, she sell you out, okay, all of them type. All this I got resolved. All this I got resolved. And somebody please comment under the video and tell me when it is that something is coming back. Because me hear people I say January and I say, me not complain. But if it a come back in a January, this is the strangest season but me ever witness or something. Anyway, me not complain for January. Come back in January. Come back. But look here. I'm gonna take Huck out of jail. Wanna take Huck out of jail. Wanna take Huck out of jail. Wanna make the president wake up and come take over back. Wanna make something to Sally becoming like a writer out of the script want a new vice president. Me feels that wanna for make what my boy the name? The chief of staff? When him? Sarah's him for be the vice president and then Sarah's boyfriend now him can go on with film job. Take up film job. But him to stop dig up things in the bad something because Fitz is the president and we don't really want to know how the president. We don't want another other president. Shonda Rhimes, if you make Fitz don't be president, we're not going to please because we don't want other presidents. We're voting Fitz, we want Fitz, and we stuff the ballot for Fitz. We have baby badness back of that, we want Fitz as the president. Now, if get the baby, you know, and him know say him to start the investigation, say, oh, him get the baby, but him get the baby and still do the investigation. And I do all them dirtiness inside of the people in baby store. They're secreting the place of the child. Me don't like it. Shonda Rhimes, this is a message to you. Fix it. You know, Shonda, you need to be the Olivia Pope and this and fix it because I like all this is going. We cannot take it, you know, and see the woman gone and she go massacre the man body in the house and then just left. She not even send it to him. She just beat him up in the MC. Shonda, who them people are out? And if Queen rank with Olivia one more time, I got slap her. She need to know her role. We took you out of a bad situation. We gave you a new identity. Please do what you need to do and live up your new life. Not everybody get to that. Queen, your attitude stink and I get out of hand now. Okay. Shonda Huck cannot be in jail. So what you need for this Becky girl, we need for trade place with her, whatever. Write her out of the script and I like her. Huck is not have a girlfriend. If Huck don't get a black Jamaican girlfriend with blonde hair, he's not getting another girl. And that's it, just it. Goodbye. And one more thing, Sally, my sister, you don't have maddens and romance and everybody put on past standby because you don't plan all type of funeral and president, though then president is not deading. It means not deading. So all of the funeral where you plan right now, it don't necessarily don't call for you. You need to get it off together. Nobody is here for you. I look at gerrymantrics and your ism and schism. Your favorite bird. It is not going to dead. So nobody bring in your family photograph them, go put them up in the Oval Office or change what type of color in there or even make your shoes get used to the ground. You're not staying in there for long. Goodbye.